So imagine this, without selling, the dividend yield that you're actually getting is pretty high at 12.48%. The US dividend stocks naman, my style is basically this. I like to buy companies that are very, very large. They're market leaders and they're very, very large brands. And because mahirap na sila matalo ng kalaban, they have always been very, very consistent in giving out dividends. But hindi lang yun. So kahit mas mababa yung dividend rate nila, yung yield nila than Philippines, because the stock price is going up, yung dividends niya sumusunod, sumasabay sa kanya, umaakyat din sumasabay sa kanya. So habang umaakyat at sumasabay din sa kanya, if I positioned earlier, the yields that I would getting would be bigger. And I'm going to share two of the companies that I love, that I've been positioned in also, that have been giving me, that I myself as a customer like. So again, technically dito, since umakit yung stock, it gives me capital appreciation. Pero habang umakit yung stock, the dividends are also increasing. So for example is Coca-Cola. And by the way, it's your prerogative if you want to reinvest it or you want to use it as cash flow. But what I do know is people will still drink Coke in the future. No matter how many healthy drinks are there, I believe people will still drink Coke, because Coke is not just a drink. That's what's happening right here for Coca-Cola, because the stock price is going higher. Yung binili mo dati, tumaas din yung dividends niya, mataas yung yield mo. So imagine this, without selling, the dividend yield that you're actually getting is pretty high at 12.48%.